How to copy something from ChatGPT with Google Docs. Want to move ChatGPT answers into Google Docs? Here's the fastest way to copy and format them. So first, go ahead and head over to ChatGPT, and then from here, scroll until you find the very bottom of the answer of ChatGPT to you, and then click on this copy response button. And this will allow you to copy all of the response that ChatGPT gave you. Head over to Google Docs and then simply click on Control Shift V to paste the text, and that will allow you to paste the text. So simply remove the end of the answer of ChatGPT if they have given a suggestion at the very end, and you'd be able to easily find the version of the text into how ChatGPT have given it to you. And that is how to copy something from ChatGPT with Google Docs.